Hi, and welcome to Eric Blackman Guitar. In this one I'm going to show you how I play Tequila by the Champs on electric guitar. The guitar is tuned standard E-A-D-G-B-E, and the key of the song is F major. To get this song started, we're going to be strumming some chords that sound like this. We're strumming an F major chord that's at fret 10 on the D, G, and B string only. I'm strumming just those three strings. I'm not trying to hit that E, but if I do, it's okay. That high E, I don't want to hit that, but because it makes a 6th note in there, or an F6, but what I want is that F, so I'm going to try to avoid that high E string, and if I don't, it's okay. So it's, and it's going to be a down, down, down to start up, so it's, and when I go down, I'm going to go down to an E flat chord, and that's a whole step below, or 2 frets below that F chord. Right, so those are the 2 chords we've got. That's what we're after. Now we're going to strum that this way. Now, in order to get that strumming going, we're going to go down, down, down. And then we'll do a chuck, which is up, down, muted. Like that. So it's... Then we'll go up, go back to our F chord and go up. Like that. And then up. Up, down. So it's... like that, so it's, then we'll go so we had to change the trajectory just a little bit. So this time around it's going to be down, 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 up, 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 down. So we stayed here at the E flat, so it's like that. So here's the entire thing, slowly. Now while that's going on, a second guitar will play some muted picking. Now, this picking pattern is changed throughout the entire song, so I'm going to give you the beginning pattern and you can repeat that, but I'm not going to do all those different patterns because the guy changes it every time he plays it. But this is the main pattern. It goes like this. So it's for that part we're going to use an F form like this, and we're going to pick the notes out of it like this. Then we'll go so that's then we'll go back to the B string and start it again. Then we'll go. So here's the entire thing. Now while I'm playing that, I've got my palm against the strings, pressing lightly to mute the strings, so I get this. Together, that's going to sound like this. Next, let's learn the saxophone melody. It's going to sound something like this. We're going to repeat that. So we started at fret 10 on the D string. Then we'll go to the G string and play it twice at 10. 8. Then to the B string, 8, back to 8 on the G string, 10 on the G string, and then 10 on the D string. So that's repeat it and end on the G string at fret 10. So it's So let's go to the next part of it, and the melody will sound like this. So for that part, we went to fret 10, and that's on the D string, fret 7 on the G string, fret 10, and then to the B string, fret 9 and 10, like that. So it's we'll do that 3 times. Then we'll go to fret 12 on the G string and go, and then land on a C note here at fret 10 of the D string. So it's and in the recording that'll sound like this. Now for the backup chords for that part, we're going to play a B diminished 7th, an F, and then a D minor, and slide it down. For that B diminished 7th, we've got a finger on the D string at fret 9, the G string at fret 10, the B string at fret 9, and the high E string at fret 10. And then we'll play an F like this, like the one we did before. We'll play our D minor by holding down the G, B, and high E at fret 10 and sliding it down. Just like that. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we'll play a G chord here, and then a C chord. for that G chord, we're just holding down the D, G, and B string at fret 12. And the C chord here at fret 8, 9, and 10 on the B string, the G string, and the D string, and the high E string, like that. So it's fret 8, 9, and 10. So that's, and then we'll start everything over again. Now what I like to do is try to combine both parts so it sounds like this. Tequila. Now what I did there is I try to combine the melody and throw in a few strums as I'm playing that melody. Here it goes. When I get to the change, I'm going to play. So notice how I walked right into that chord. Put my ring finger on the G string at fret 10, and then I bring my chord in. Just like that. Well, my friends, that's how I play Tequila on electric guitar. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.